If you could jump into a machine now, would you rather visit the dinosaurs or witness the end of the universe? While time travel feels pure science fiction, the laws of physics offer a roadmap for how it could happen. Today, we're breaking down the mechanics of reality to see if your dream trip is possible. First, Einstein's theory of relativity proves that time isn't constant. It's relative to your speed and gravity. If you orbited a black hole or traveled near the speed of light, time would slow down for you while aging rapidly for everyone back home. This isn't just theory. We see it today with GPS satellites that must adjust their clocks to account for this time dilation. But what about going backward? This is where things get complicated. Some physicists suggest that wormholes, shortcuts through space, time could theoretically connect two different points in time. Yet, keeping these tunnels open would require exotic matter with negative energy, something we've never discovered. Even if we could, we'd have to deal with the grandfather paradox, which poses a massive problem for causality. If you went back and changed the past, would you still exist to change it? Science confirms that moving forward is easy, but returning is a cosmic puzzle. Time is a physical dimension, but it currently only moves in one direction. If you enjoyed this journey through space, time, and comment your favorite time travel theory below.